Hey everyone on Kickstarter, I am Pale, a product manager from Wireless Tech. Super grateful that both ESP32 development boards we launched by Iris have been so well liked by all of you. Thanks everyone. And today, I want to introduce a new product that's a little different from our previous one. The ESP32-P4 C5 development board. So what makes it different? Let me show you in the video. First, we incorporated our self-developed core board, the P4C5 which integrates both the ESP32-P4 and ESP32-C5. It supports a 32-bit RISC-V dual-core processor at 360 MHz and multiple protocols. The ESP32-P4 integrates multiple multimedia subsystems, including ISP, PPA, and JPEG codec. The ESP32-C5 supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6, offering a reliable wireless solution for your applications. In terms of expandability, this development board offers a rich set of interfaces. With MIPI CSI, you can connect an HD camera ideal for facial recognition or security monitoring. With MIPI DSI, you can drive an LCD display to create smart home control panels, digital photo frames, or even advertising displays. And with USB 2.0, you can develop utility devices, data acquisition tools, equipment controllers, or remote monitoring systems and a DC power input. What's more, all 58 PPI pins from the core board are accessible, including 46 from the ESP32-P4 and 12 from the ESP32-C5, 80 by 60 by 11 mm, allowing you to easily connect various peripherals using jumper wire and quickly build your prototype. That's it for the new product we're launching this time, the ESP32-P4C5 development board. And to make your development easier, we prepare some peripherals for you to choose from, including a 7-inch LCD, a camera, an antenna, and flashing tools. We've already finished developing the drivers and example for all these peripherals, and they are open source on our GitHub. That's everything we got to share about our new product this time. Hope you all like it. The ESP32-P4C5 isn't just a development board. It's an awesome, powerful starting point for your next creative project. Thanks for watching. Wireless Tech, AI agent hardware specialist.